Today we have a 2013 BMW 528i F30. We'll be replacing the front brakes. So I'm gonna start with I'm only gonna show you all the driver's side because this is where the sensor's at. Okay, so on this side with the sensor, first thing I always do is just break the inner valve here, number 11. Just go and kind of knock it loose a little. So always do that first. So because we're replacing the brake sensor, we can just take it out or you can follow it. So you have to know where it's at. Just follow the cable all the way around, and then it goes into this junction here. Just pop it open. Just open these tabs here, and you'll see where it connects. And then to actually remove the caliper, take these caps off here. One here, and then one up top right. Oops, sorry, the light. Right here. So when you take the cap off, you'll see an Allen goes in there. It's number 7 to remove the caliper. So first off, with a little pry bar, just go ahead and take this off. Just kind of pry up right here. You can use a flathead as well if you want. But as you can see, it comes out, and then you can just work it out. I usually use both my hands to do so I can hold it, but you get the gist. There you go. So now I'm going to go ahead and take those other cap off right there, and using my number 7 Allen, I'm going to take those out there to remove the caliper. Okay, to give y'all a quick view of the brake pad sensor before I start busting this down. So I already kind of took it off all these little brackets here. So just following all around, going up top here, just open this up. It's at the top wire right there. Sometimes if someone's done work for, it might not be top, might be the bottom. It doesn't really matter. It just sits in there. So you just pull up like so, and then you can see the tab there. Just take it off, and now we'll just throw this to the side. And whenever we take the brake pad out, we can just slide it through. Now we will have to press the caliper back in, the piston inside. You can use a tool, which I don't know where mine went. So what I'm going to do here is actually open the valve and put it into somewhere the fluid drip into, and then with my pry bar, because I'm replacing the rotors as well, don't do it if you're not, because it could do damage. I'm just going to push on this brake pad here like so, and then just get it all the way back so that this retracts all the way in. So let me see if I can get y'all a view of that, but let me get everything set up first. So pretty much my entire little box that I keep my brake tools in is missing, so I rigged up a little bottle with the hose here. So I already opened the valve. I'm going to come over here with my pry bar and just push forward. Ouch. She's a bigger one. Pretty much. As you can see, it's moving, and then at the same time, well, now you can see that I can fit my pry bar into the brake pad, and you can see fluid coming down, which is very important. You don't want it to go back into the ABS valve. So for the most part, it's all the way. Take a look on the side here to see it's gone all the way in. So now I'm going to close that valve back up, and with the 7 Allen, I'm going to go ahead and remove the caliper. Okay, so you see the number 7 Allens there. Remove the caliper already. Before I get the hate comments, yeah, the brake pads still have live. It's the rotor. The reason why we're changing it, the guy just opted to change both. So yeah. Anyways, so for this side here, just push it forward, and you can just run the whole brake sensor through and just get it out the way. Also, before we put this back in, go ahead and just pull these out completely and grease that up before popping back in. Just a little FYI there. And as you can see, our piston went back too, so it'll be easy just to reinstall. So now with a number 18, I'm going to come and take this bracket off. One there and one there. So let's go ahead and knock that out, and then we can get to removing the rotor. Alright, bracket has been removed, 2 18 bolts to remove that out the way. Now with the number 6 Allen, our impact tool here, we're going to go ahead and remove that bolt holding the rotor in place. Obviously, those who are doing this know how to use this tool, so I don't need to even talk about it. So go ahead and remove that. and then we're gonna go ahead and remove the rotor. Now you see this is rusted up here, it's gonna be stuck, so I sprayed WD-40 earlier, but still have a hard time getting off. Just get a hammer and beat it from the backside, or beat it like just basically making it wobble so you just pull it out. So I'm gonna get this off and get the new one installed. Alright guys, so my new rotor is installed with that bolt back in, bracket is in, and then we're going to pop this into the caliper up here. Just push it in like so, and then we'll slide it back. Alright, so I went ahead and installed everything. All we have left is the rattle thing here. So pretty much, we're going to put it like this, where these two ears at the end are against the bracket, and then just push forward until these line. Now that we have everything pretty much installed, we're going to put the brake pad sensor in here. So with this little hump here, it'd be facing towards us like so. You just put it in here. On the back brake pad on the caliper piston, we're just going to slide it into you can see it. You can see it right there. So just slide that in. Alright, so I'm going to have to get some needle nose pliers to hold it and push it in, but pretty much you're just going to slide that in there and then run the cable all around back up there. So I actually didn't need needle nose pliers. I kind of just need to get a good angle and just pops right in. So I ran through all the brackets, back in this bracket, back in that bracket, plugged it in. So now I'm just going to go up here. This also goes right here. Just kind of pop it back in place. You see the groove right there. Boom, close it up, and that's it. We're done. So pretty much that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Top off the brake fluid about 4, and that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. More videos to come.